So let's learn about some of the data types used in Python programming. These are, first one is integer. So integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative or 0. Examples are 75, minus 22, 0, 9000. So 75 a simple integer, it is negative integer, it is 0, that is whole number. So we can assign all type of numbers in the integer data type. Next one is float. A number with a fractional part or decimal point is called a floating point number. For example, 17.3, 36.24, etc. So if you want to assign decimal values in a Python program, you will use float data type. Next one is Boolean. It represents logical values in the form of true and false. In Boolean, 0 represents false and 1 represents true. So if you have a program which gives output only in true or false, so you will use Boolean data type. Next one is string data type. String is a sequence of one or more letters or characters. It is enclosed in single quotes, that is this type, or double quotes, it is of this type. A string may contain any character or sign including space. For example, hello, it is in single quotes, hello friends, it is in double quotes, name in single quotes, codes, and welcome in double quotes, etc. are string constants.